on our day 5 of our Wellness Week educational workshop. This week, if you've been following me on my previous video, I have been talking about how different factors support our immune system and keeping it healthy, and that's what helps keeps us from getting sick all the time. Uh, Monday, I talked about our skin being the largest organ of our body and what all we put on our skin that can cause issues with our immune system. Uh, yesterday, I talked about, uh, nothing like going blank. Uh, I'm sorry. I can't think of what I did yesterday. But anyway, go back and listen to my video. Today, we're going to talk about uh, yesterday we talked about diet, how diet plays a crucial part in what we eat and all, and helping supporting our immune system. So today we're going to be talking about exercise. We know not everybody likes to exercise. It's not one of my favorite things to do, but hey, it is what it is. I'm not one to go to a gym and work out daily. For one thing, it's not convenient for me. The closest gym to me is about 20 miles away, and there's no way I'm going to do a 40-mile round trip every day of the week to go to the gym. It's not feasible for me. But there's a lot of people who enjoy going to the gym. We own property, so I go outside and I walk off and on a lot. In fact, I walk pretty much a lot during the day because I'm always outside doing things. And usually in the mornings I try to. I haven't recently, but I try to go, and we have a road that goes around uh, in-laws my in-laws home that I walk, and I usually go anywhere from 1 to 3, some up to 1 to 3 miles a day if I do walk. So that's my movement that I do all day is a lot of walking. So I'm just going to share with you some natural solutions that you can use to help boost your uh, system while you're walking or exercising or whatever. First of all, we got to consider, breathing. We want to make sure we are able to breathe easily when we do work out or walk or whatever it may be. One of the oils that I'm going to suggest is doTERRA Breathe Respiratory Blend. This oil um, is a combination of peppermint, eucalyptus, along with some other oils. And all these oils will help in this blend to help with your breathing to make it easier. What you can do is you can put a drop of it in the palm of your hand and then rub your chest. I know it's pretty hard to see, but you can just take the oil and rub your chest before you decide to go work out, exercise. And the aroma from the Breathe Respiratory Blend is going to help open your airways to where you're able to breathe a whole lot easier. As I mentioned, if you don't have breathe, you can use either peppermint or eucalyptus. Either one, they both do the same thing. They both support our breathing, so where we can, help us breathe easier. So any of these oils would work for that. Um, Now, your muscles, when you're walking, I know, or exercising, anything, then you have to deal with, you're going to have achy muscles afterwards, like in your arms, your legs, your thighs, your feet, all of that's going to come into play. So what you could do is ahead of time before you actually start stretching or working out, you can use what we call a blend, deep blue soothing blend. This is a combination of oil that has wintergreen, peppermint, helichrysum, camphor, along with a couple of 2 or 3 other oils. This stuff smells amazing. I use it off and on especially when my lower back is giving me some issues that it's talking to me. Uh, this is what I use. You can put it topically directly on your concern or wherever you're having your problems at. You can rub it on your calves of your legs or your thigh or on your arms or whatever, depending on what kind of exercising you're going to be doing, what muscles you're going to be utilizing. And then once you finish exercising, you can also use the same oil. The oil comes also in a deep blue rub lotion. This is an actual lotion that has the deep blue oil in it. So all it takes is just a tiny, tiny bit. As you can see, it's just white right there. It's just a white cream. It just takes a tiny bit and rub it all over your muscles. You can actually put this on if you want before you work out and then put it on afterwards as well to help soothe and calm. Because what it does is it's going to give you that warm sensation first and then gradually it cools down, which that's what we want our body to do. If at night you're still having problems of possibly not able to go to sleep because something's still achy and bothering you, doTERRA also makes the deep blue uh, polyphenol complex. These are capsules that look like this that you can swallow. And I've taken them at night as well, and they help calm things down. Another great thing, and you have to remember when you're going to be working out and all, you want to make sure you're keeping your body hydrated as well. You need to be drinking lots and lots of water. And what I do in my water, I just don't drink plain water because drinking plain water gets old after a while. Believe me, it does. You can use, doTERRA has various citrus oils that you can use, like lemon is one, lime is another, grapefruit is another one. Grapefruit is great for also supporting and helping with weight management as well. Wild orange is another one. These are absolutely all awesome to use in our water to help, give it a different flavor. In fact, I'm going to use lime and lemon in my water right now. I'm going to show you how I do it. See, I just put 3 or 4 drops of this is lime, and then I'm going to add lemon to mine as well. Basically, you mix it up. I mix it up. Every day I do something different. Or I may just use a single oil, and this is lemon I'm going to put in here as well. And just shake it up good, and then drink it. And I'd advise you every time before you take a swallow, always shake it up good because, as you know, oils and water do not actually mix. The oils will float to the top. So you just want to give your bottle a shake before you actually take any water in. Let's see what else here. Make sure, look at my notes so I'm not missing anything here. As I mentioned, when you get ready to go to bed at night, for hydration, want to keep your keep water handy. When you rest and relax. I don't have it with me, but lavender oil is a calming oil, which a lot of you know that. And that's what you can use at night. We have another oil that's a blend. It's Serenity Restful Blend. It's one that can be used topically or in a diffuser at night in the bedroom. If you want to use it to smell the aroma while you're sleeping, that's great. Both of these oils are really great in helping you to relax and calm down, even in the evening when you're just sitting, maybe watching TV or whatever. So today, just wanted to go over things that help that you can use, natural solutions that you can use for when you're exercising and working out. So thank you for joining me, and tomorrow we'll go over another topic that I'll be sharing with you. Take care. I hate to say it, but I am totally confused. I'm going to do Wednesday 10 to 5.